and our girls go bum bum bum. Shaking your bum bum bum. Liking your package, feeling the package, making the boys do no no no. And KG go down.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a tutorial on how I was able to achieve this beautiful, very quick and easy hairstyle. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this beautiful simple style. I only used 2 packs of Jamaican bounce crochet braids hair. I think each pack goes for $4.99, that's £5. I actually bought this from a beauty supply store, but I found it on Amazon. I'm going to look for the link and I will link it in the description box below. So this style just took me 1 hour to achieve. It's a very simple style to do and very easy and quick as well, and it's very beautiful. I love the bounce and the coils. What I actually did was I separated the coils because I just want to get that I want to get a more natural look, and it's a braidless crochet. I didn't do any form of braids to achieve this style. That's why it took just 1 hour to achieve. So that's what it's gonna be, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel. Now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm gonna start on the clean hair. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair in front. So after parting my hair in front, I'm going to go ahead and secure it. The parting does not have to be perfect because you're still going to end up covering it. So right here, the only thing I'm going to do at the back is just to put it in a bun. And that's all I actually did. So before I begin with the crochet, I'm gonna start with my hair in front. I'm gonna spray a little bit of water on it. After spraying the water, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my BANTU leave-in conditioner. Then right here, I'm going to detangle my hair. Then I'm going to brush it at the same time. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my Eco Styler gel. After applying the gel, I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair through the gel. And I'm also going to use a denim brush to brush my hair as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it in a bun. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and take my edge control and apply it on the hair as well to further slick down my hair. And I'm also going to, slick down my edges as well. I don't have much edges at the moment, but I'm going to work with what I have. So this is totally optional, So now I'm just going to do a little bit of plait on the bun. And then I'm going to use another rubber band to hold it down properly. And now I'm going to go ahead and tie a scarf. I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one. it comes in this pack. I told you I used 2 packs. So what I did, I took 1 strand and I separated it into 2 strands. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I crochet to my hair. It's pretty easy, you know, everybody knows how to crochet nowadays, so it's just a very easy style to do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, keep doing the crochet. When I get to the bun area, I'm just gonna make sure I, you know, crochet around the bun area. So right here, you guys are gonna see how I crochet to cover the bun, because eventually you're definitely gonna cover the bun. So right here, I believe I've used 1 pack. So that's what 1 pack looks like. So I went ahead to do the crochet braids. So now I've gotten to the front. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit more crochet for the back. So now I'm gonna start with the bun. So I did the normal crochet, but I noticed that it's too long for the bun. So I did the normal crochet, but I noticed it's too long for the bun, so I decided to cut the hair in half. So when I take 1 strand, I separate it into 2 equal half, and then I cut it into 2 as well, and that's how I used it for the bun. I felt for you. I regret for losing. And you guys, as you guys can see, I'm doing the crochet right on the bun. So I went ahead to cut that particular one I did at first. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep doing the crochet on the bun. And yes guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love this hairstyle. It's so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support your girl by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.